Hey guys, welcome back to Sister's Home Diary. So today we are going to see Spyrosity unboxing. So it's a very unique and creative set where you can quill with a machine and a lot of things are given. So let's unbox it. So we have two short quilling strips, a long one. We also have some cards which we can quill on, and the whole menu. And there's also a big machine which will help you to quill the strips and some bigger cards. It's a googly eyes. So these are the cards. There are 45 cards in the set. So let's see it. So it's a sticklet where you can do all those things. So it's a sticklet and you can stick the quilling paper. So there are 45 cards in total and it's so exciting. I really hope you enjoy this. So I've made some of these and these are super easy and super fun fills. So I really recommend you to buy this one. I'm gonna give the link at the description box. So that's the machine and that's the strip. So we're gonna show you how to quill it up. So basically you're gonna be switching on the switch at the machine and you're gonna put the strip between the two margins of the holes, yes, like that, and then you can press that button and it's gonna start quilling automatically. So that's how you do it, and that helps you to quill, and you just don't have to waste time quilling. So it depends on what shape you want, and that's why these holes are given. So if I like this shape, I'll take that. The machine helps you quill more easily, and until next time, bye!